In today's video, we will look at the Settings section. In the left menu, click on the Item Settings and you will see several tabs. If you have not purchased a subscription from us, you will see a panel like this, which will guide you to the Billing section, where our premium plans are displayed according to the current offer. We'll get to that later. We will start with the General section. In the first part, you will see the field Host Name, which is used in several places that are displayed to your users. This field was used in simulated chat messages where there was a checkbox called Send by Host. When this box is checked, the next box, Sender, is filled automatically according to this setting. The host name is also used for registration pages or in email marketing as a dynamic form field. Use your name or the name of your company here. The email cannot be changed by you. It can be changed upon request by sending an email from your original address to our address support@elasticwebinar.com. The default time zone box is applied when creating new webinars. Of course, this is only the default value, which can be changed for each webinar separately. The last box in this section is Email for Reply. If it remains empty, the email field will be used for email marketing. If you need to use a different email address for communication with users than the one linked to your account, fill in this field. Each subsection after changes must be saved with the Update button for the changes to be applied. The next section is called Language. It contains two fields, Host and Attendees. The Host box represents the language of your administration. We currently provide these languages. More important is the field Attendees, which is related to your users. We support translations of static text of some parts of the pages in the registration page, thank you page, waiting page, or in the live room. If you leave the box on Auto Detect, the language setting from the user browser will be used. The last section in the General tab is changing the password. It is necessary to enter the old password and then correctly repeat the new password twice and confirm with the Save button. If you have forgotten your password, log out of the administration, then click on the Forgot button in the login form and follow the instructions. Now we will log in again and go back to Settings. The next section is Branding. It is only available in the paid plan, so we will move to the administration, where we have a purchase plan to show you how it works. There are two sections, Custom Domain and Live Room Theme. In Custom Domain, it is possible to set up a domain that increases the credibility of your webinars. If this box is not checked, all pages such as the registration page, thank you page, waiting room, or live room run under our domain elasticwebinar.com. After checking the box, I want to white label attendee-facing links. You have two options. Either you use the I don't have a domain option, which is the simpler option, and all the mentioned sites will automatically start using our secret domain webinarzone.com. If you choose the second option, I want to use my own domain, it is necessary to enter your domain in the domain field and continue with the settings from this link. It is a more complex setting where knowledge of the domain settings is required, and we recommend contacting the administrator of your site, who will help you with this. In the Branding section, we will show you how to change the graphic theme of your attendee-facing pages. We provide several color schemes that will allow you to match the colors of your company. Click on one of the palettes and confirm with the Update button. If you have created at least one webinar, you can also show a preview with the Preview button. Next comes the Integration section. It is a comprehensive section that allows integration of Elastic Webinar with other systems via the Zapier service. We will explain this section in a separate video, and therefore, we will now move to the next section called GDPR. The bottom setting, Automatic Contact Deletion, is a setting that allows you to automatically delete contacts after a certain time. It is a setting that relates to the regulation of data retention for a certain period of time. Not everyone needs this feature. If you are located in a country where you can only store your customers' data for a certain period of time, this section will allow you to do automatic deletion. Just select the number of months you want to keep users in our system, and after the time has passed, your contacts will be automatically deleted. If you do not need to remove users from our system, do not enable this option. The first section is related to those who have customers from the European Union or countries where it is first necessary to send the so-called double opt-in email to confirm email subscription before we start sending emails set for your webinars. After turning on this setting, you will see an item for editing the double opt-in email via the Edit button. The most important part of this email is the so-called form field Manage Attendee Subscription link, with which your user can change your email subscription preferences for your webinars. In our template, it is this dynamic form field used for the Click Here link. After saving the form, when you move to the Contacts section, you will see that Can Receive Emails box crossed out for the contacts. After user registration, your user will receive the mentioned double opt-in email first, which he must first confirm in order to receive emails assigned to the webinar. Let's go back to Settings and to the last section called Billing. Via this button, you can purchase our current premium plan. Just fill in your data or company information and confirm with the Purchase button. After purchase, you have the functionality that corresponds to the purchased plan automatically unlocked. You will see your current plan, automatic renewal settings, the option to change your credit card or address, and you will also see all invoices that can be printed. In the next video, we will look at the mentioned section, Integrations, using the Zapier service.